Hello there, welcome back to a new episode of Sephiroth and Cypher's channel. Alright, so today we have the SPICLYPEUS. What I have here is a beast of the Mesozoic, SPICLYPEUS. And obviously this one doesn't have any DNA scan, anything like that. But there's plenty of articulation though. You can tell right there, the mouth can be open. See? It even has a tongue inside it. Colored tongue. Nice feel. Nice color. Even the toes can be moved. I mean the feet, the ankles. You can move it. But because we brought this out, because of the Jurassic World Rebirth SPICLYPEUS, we're gonna compare it. Okay guys? Alright, so it doesn't have a variant yet from Mattel. Okay? So we already finished all of it. Okay? So we're gonna unbox this thing and check it out. And also, at the end of the video, we're gonna have a special surprise again for you guys. What? Oh, the tail. You forgot the tail. Well, of course we need the tail, dude.
Wait, you go open this one? The prize too? You go open the prize?
There we go. Let's put in the tail. Oh, it has a color.
The color?
For some reason, it has a dark green color in the tail. It even has a fur on the back. Or quills. I'm not sure. Are those hair, quills? Definitely not spikes. So, Mattel's SPICLYPEUS is pretty much beefier. Look at that. The difference from Beast of the Mesozoic. Bigger. It's a bigger body, bigger legs. Much bigger arms. Okay, so the feature in this thing is when you move the tail up and down, it has a sound. There you go, it gores. You can move it left and right as well. Left, right, the head moves. So that's pretty cool. Nice color. I wish they colored the beak as well. But that's okay, because I have another one. I will repaint it. I'm gonna paint the beak and the tongue. The tongue is pretty much green. They didn't paint it. Nice color. So the head is also bigger from Creative Beast Studio. Okay, so there you go. That is our SPICLYPEUS for today. Our last Wild Roar Wave 2. And there's the DNA scan. Nice, there for you guys. It is a nice piece. Yeah. The horns are soft. They're not that hard also. Okay, so we'll go to our secret surprise now. Our surprise, and we're gonna unveil it. We just found this at Target today.
Go open it. So
let's put our SPICLYPEUS there and boom! We have the Frostvark from Monarch Legacy of Monsters. It is from the Monsterverse from Godzilla. As you can see, there's the Iron Dragon, Ghidorah, Godzilla, Kong, and Mothra. Alright, so we're gonna unbox this today. Another unboxing. I saw this too, the blue Mothra, even the burning Godzilla.
Me too, I saw that.
This Kong too. So let's check this out. We're gonna unbox it. Okay. Oh, okay.
That's wrong.
Pretty thick.
Wow.
One more. While I'm unboxing this, I'd like to say thank you. Oh no, look at that. How thick that was. What?
Need help?
Hang on. Okay, I gotta go find my thicker scissor. It's meant for hard plastic. Let's take it out. There you go. Uh-oh.
What happened again?
There you go. Let's put it aside.
Wow.
We have our Frostvark. It has a weird mouth. We saw the trailer. I think these are eyes or
That's the tentacles?
the small tentacles. It can breathe ice, I believe. Can we move the head? Yeah, it can be moved.
Yeah, I know that already.
There's articulation in the front legs. The hind legs has also articulation, you can tell. The tail can be moved, but the back looks like an armadillo
It's
or
like an armor.
aardvark, something like that. Maybe that's why they call it a Frostvark. Alright, so that's it. It is a weird looking creature. Okay, you can't move the head all the way up. That's pretty much it. Just like that. Yep. Alright, that's it for our video today. Okay, so let's go back to our main guy, the SPICLYPEUS. Okay guys, we will see you again in the next 3 days. Thank you so much. Have a good one. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, thank you. Enjoy your day. Bye for now.